So this is just a range test of my Bebop on the standard 1200 milliamp hour batteries. I just want to see how far it'll go, how far out it'll go, but being able to come back as well. So the 1200 milliamp hour battery gives about 8 minutes flight time. So we're just about to launch. There we go, motors are on. We started off with 93% battery, and straight away we've almost lost 10% battery. All the battery information is on the bottom right of the screen. You can see the Wi-Fi strength as well in the middle. Controller battery's at 96%, that's fine. So we're about 20 meters out at this point and just climbing slowly. I'm in video mode, so it's a nice, smooth, gentle speed. It's not fast in this mode at all. It's doing about 4.5, 5 meters per second. So we're just pushing it out. Now we're flying into the wind at this point. So it's always good when you're doing any kind of long range test to fly into the wind. So you've got, coming back, you've got the wind helping you. Just coming up in a minute into the flight, getting close to the viaduct. I need to climb a little bit higher at this point, so I'm climbing up to about 30 meters. About 180 meters out. Just about to cross the viaduct. 68% battery, I'm still pushing out. I've set the maximum range to, I think it was 544 meters. So it won't go beyond that. So this test was I just wanted to get past 500 meters basically. I've got a good line of sight of my drone still. I've got good FPV signal. You can see my Wi-Fi indicators good. I didn't get any flickers. There was no loss, no skip frames or anything. It was really smooth signal all the way. So we're 400 meters out now, and I'm going to climb a little bit because what I don't want is that viaduct in between me and the drone. I want to be above that. It's a big chunk of wrought iron, and I don't want that affecting my signal, blocking my signal. So I'll climb up to about 40 meters, and I'm pushing out still, approaching 500 now. So there's 500 meters. I'm just going to go into this corner a little bit. .45 meters high, 530 meters out, 540 meters. So I get to 543 meters. You can see the railway there in front, so I'm going to pan to the right, want to avoid that. And you get a good shot here. I try and get the viaduct in the frame, but it's just going off the edges slightly. So I'm crossing this river here. I really don't like crossing water, but I've got no choice. I'm coming back over the viaduct. You can see the wind generator in the background. It gives you a good idea of the wind speed. It was around 10 mile an hour, just over, gusting a little bit. You can see all this area in front of me used to be a big industrial coal cleaning plant. It's long been demolished now. I think they used to store coal there as well at one point. It was all connected with the railways that used to cross the viaduct. So coming back now. I've got 44% battery left, 94 in the controller still, 320 meters out, 40 meters high still. And that wind's pushing me home because I've got the wind behind me now, which is always a good thing. Whenever you're pushing your drone, you want to make sure you've got the wind on your side. Don't be pushing out long distance and then coming back and fighting the wind, because as your battery starts depleting, it's going to go down a lot quicker. It's going to use power a lot more. And if you find the wind as well, you need the wind on your side. So make sure it's behind you, the wind. 120 meters out, 43 meters. You can see my position just at the bottom of the screen there, a little patch of gravel to the right of the road, just disappearing off the bottom of the screen. So I'm descending now, 35 metres, 40 metres out. Just bringing it down slowly. I'll just pan around a little bit just to give you a little view of where we've just been. It's a beautiful sunny day today. It was just a little bit breezy. So I'm coming down. So I'm really happy with that. I went past the 500 metres, which I was aiming for. Didn't lose any signal. Really good FPV all the way. Good line of sight. And remember, this is a stock 1200 mAh batteries, which are well beyond the best, to be honest, to be fair. I'm only getting 8 minutes flight time. So when I got back to my position, the battery level was about 33%. And I was about 4 minutes 40 into the flight. So I had a good, maybe 3.5 minutes left. And probably a good 20% of my battery left. So obviously I can go a little bit further, push it a little bit further next time. So that's giving me a little bit more confidence with it. So I hope you enjoyed that flight, and thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, press that like button. If you're not already a subscriber, please subscribe to my channel, and if you do, I'll check out your channel and I'll check out your content. So thanks very much to all my existing subscribers. Take care, guys. Fly safe, and bye bye for now.